YouTuber Melissa, Lucy, and I are going to be going through practice problems right now, and I want you to do the same thing, just to make sure that everything that we just went over in the previous video really stuck. So make sure to try these questions out, and we're going to go over the answers together. Let's start with the first one. I know there's a lot to this. Let's write the complete and condensed electron configuration. We'll draw the orbital diagrams and then label each as paramagnetic or diamagnetic.
Okay, so should I just use my own like periodic table?
Yes.
Okay, because I don't have it like all labeled nice.
I know. And that's the point. You're not going to have it labeled on the exam. You know where everything is now. I know. You're not going to have me putting an arrow,
I know, you're taking away my training wheels. Okay. Okay, so this is S, D, P, F. I feel like I'm going to get confused because it's not labeled. Okay. Wow, this is hard without you like drawing where the thing is for me and all that. I'm trying to find magnesium on here. Okay, there it is. Oh, this shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so we're gonna start out with 1S2 and then 2S2 and then 2P6.
Good.
And 2S, just kidding. We just moved 3. 3S2, that's it.
Perfect. That's it. That's correct. What's the condensed electron configuration?
Okay, the condensed is going to be neon, and then just 3S2.
That's it. Perfect.
Cool. Okay.
Now let's try drawing the orbital diagrams. Or actually, yeah, let's do the orbital diagrams for this one.
So like the squares?
So those are those little boxes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Do I have to draw them like offsetting? So like, you know how on my paper I sent you, it was like this a little bit or something? Or just like do one box and then the next?
That's going to be dependent on your professor. So typically, I do see it how I explained it, where it's just like all in one. Technically, no, that's not the most accurate because, the different energy levels are important to know. But it seems like he might want you to draw it that way. Did he specify?
So this is just like a worksheet that he gives us. He's probably not going to be like too particular on that. So I'll just do it the way that you showed me unless he says something.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Yeah, then just draw it in one line.
Okay. So should I draw each box as I go through, or like draw all the boxes and then do all the electrons?
I would say draw all the boxes first and then label the sub-level, then put the electrons through.
So I'm going to have 2 single boxes for the S's.
So I would say let's just do the orbital diagrams of the condensed electron configuration.
Oh, okay. So first I would write any, or I have to do that?
No, so that part you don't have to do. It's just the 3S2 that we'll look at. So like it's really just 3S. You drew your box, that's correct. You would draw 3S underneath the box. Good. And then we have 2 electrons, so we would fill that. I know this one's a little bit simpler. Good. And then is this para or diamagnetic?
It's diamagnetic.
Good.
Okay.
Perfect.
Oh, so you want me to write?
On to the next one.
That was a warm-up.
Yeah, I'm like, wait, I forgot everything. Okay. So where is bromine? Okay. Here we go. So 1S2, 2S2, 2P6, 3S2, 3P6, 4s2.
Good.
3d10.
Perfect.
And then we go back to 4. 4s5. Wait, 4p5, I mean.
Good. Correct.
Okay.
And the condensed electron configuration.
It's gonna be...
Good. Perfect. Cool. Now let's draw the orbital diagrams just using that last three, like 4s2, 3d10, 4p5.
Okay, so first I put 4s. So I'm gonna draw 10 boxes?
5.
Oh yeah, because there's 2 in each thing. Okay.
Right.
This is not gonna look as good as yours did.
That's okay.
Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes.
And then 4. So 3.
Good.
Okay. So here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3. Following the rule.
Hold on.
What did I do?
Follow Hun's rule.
Oh yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
Perfect. That's it. And is this para or diamagnetic?
Para.
Good. All right, and TB.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. I wish I knew this morning. Okay. TB.
Just as a hint, look at the bottom.
Oh,
Of your
geez.
periodic table.
Oh, thanks. I would have been looking all day. Okay. Here we go. Jeez. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10.
Good.
I think I forgot where the stopping point is. Is it after barium?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then you could also tell by when looking at the atomic numbers.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it goes from 56 to 57. Okay, cool. All right, so 3d10. And now we're back to 4, so 4p6.
Good.
Four D10. I'm gonna have to go down to the next one.
That's fine. That's fine.
So I'm right here now. Okay, so 1, 2, so 5p6.
Good.
Now we stop and we go down. And now we're taking away 2, so we were at 6, now we're at 4. 4F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was TB, right? Yes, okay.
Yes.
9. Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Yay!
Good.
And then, perfect. Then what's the condensed electron configuration?
Okay. So as if it were here, it's going to be xenon.
Correct.
Okay. And then we have 6 S2 and then and then we go back to this. Okay,
Right.
so 4, then it's just the 4F9.
Perfect. Great. Okay. That was a tough one. Good.
Thanks.
Then let's do the orbital diagram again, just for the last portion.
So I'm gonna do 7.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, oops. All right, and this is, so I do 1, 2.
Mm-hmm. Good. Perfect. And you know my question, para or dia? Exactly. Beautiful.
Awesome.
Okay. Last one on this
Okay.
question.
W is tungsten. Okay. So. Two P6. I'm gonna start to have this memorized.
Yeah, after you do this for a while, it's like you're just honestly you're just counting half the time.
Yeah. Wait, I forgot where my W was. Oh, okay, so keep going.
Good. Good. Perfect.
Wait. Did I
What are you
switch?
thinking?
Oh, I'm
No,
on
you're good.
6.
Keep going.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to go down to the F.
Yes, good, good, good.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is a hard one. Okay. You can do this. So now we are at F. And there's 14, but we have to take away 2. And we were at 6, so it's going to be 4F14.
Perfect.
And then
Where do we go after?
we go to 72. But my thing is, there's technically not 10 in that row anymore then.
Wait, what? Your periodic table, does that end at the very bottom? Does it end at 70?
No, it's at 71.
Okay.
Oh, so is luteum a part of...
It is. Is that the periodic table that you're going to be given?
No.
Okay. Okay. I was like worried for a second there.
Well, because I'm confused because if you could see this, it's like, it says lanthanides, like right here.
Right. And that goes all the way to, you said 71 on the bottom.
On the bottom, yeah.
Ah, okay. 71 should be back on top. And then it goes all the way to 80 for like D.
Okay, so I'm still going to count that as 10.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, so then it would be, all right, so So we're at 5. 5D 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Yes, that's right. Good. That was a tough one. Good.
Yeah, it was. Oh my gosh.
All right, almost done with this question. Next is condensed electron configuration.
Okay. So here we are. Gonna read xenon again. I'll just move this stuff down. Okay.
Good. I'm going to be a little bit picky, and it's just because professors are even pickier than I. That E shouldn't be capitalized.
I had a feeling you were going to say that. Because after I did it, I was like, I think that's wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to go 6s2. So do I even have to look anymore since I did the other one? Technically,
You honestly don't.
Yeah, I'm like, why am I still counting? It's right here. Okay.
But it's good practice in case you were only asked for the condensed electron configuration.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, which typically for like something like C and D, you would be asked that. But I wanted to make sure that you knew how to get through the whole entire thing.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, do you want me to do the
we're
thing?
almost done. Right, we're almost done.
Okay.
I'm like, I'm eager to get to the next one.
I know, me too. Okay, so... So there's going to be 5 here.
Good.
Okay, so there's my 2 there. This is all filled.
Good. Perfect. And this is...
Para. So
Yep.
there you go.
That works. Perfect. All right. Let's do number 2. Yeah. Number 2. So what you could do here is let's do the abbreviated condensed electron configuration for each one. So instead of writing the whole entire thing, let's just go from whatever noble gas is right before it. So let's go ahead and do the first one, barium.
Okay. Let me find that one here. I'll find it eventually. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, so.
Good.
And then
Perfect. How many valence electrons does barium have? And if we forgot what that means, let me know.
I know it's the ones on the outside, but I don't remember how we know.
Okay, that's okay. So we're going to look at the highest energy level, or the highest N, which in this case would have been 6. So because there's only like one thing left, it's actually going to work to our favor here for the condensed electron configuration. So it's only going to be 2 valence electrons because our highest energy orbital is that 6s, and then that 2 represents the valence electrons.
Okay. I see what you're saying. So it's just that.
Exactly.
Okay.
And we'll do the same thing for the next ones.
All right, so iodine. It's going to be...
Good.
And then we're in 5, we go up 1, so it's 4d10.
Good.
And then
You're right.
oh, okay. Yeah?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
How many valence electrons do we have?
So, is this a trick?
It's not. It's not. So remember, this is where we're going to look at the highest n value. So what's the highest n value, meaning the highest coefficient?
We have 5 in 2 spots.
Correct.
Good. And now we're going to add up both electrons. So like both, yeah,
So 7.
that's it.
Okay. I'll put that over here. Is there like a way to write that, or do I have to write valence electrons? I didn't know if there was a quick.
Just write valence electrons for now.
Okay.
Cool. And then for Krypton, I'm going to have us actually write out the whole thing.
I spelled it wrong. Okay. So we're going to do the whole thing.
I didn't even notice. Yeah.
It looked right, didn't it? Okay. Krypton. All right, so we're going to do the whole thing. So
Yeah, we'll do the whole thing, and then at the end, we'll do the condensed, and then I'll explain something.
okay, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p6.
Good. Perfect.
Okay.
Now, what would
Yeah, you're good. So this is where it's a trick question. All right, so for Krypton, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the full electron configuration that you just did. We know that our highest n value would have been 4. We have 2 of them. So then what's our total valence electrons?
So we add the 2, so it's 8.
Correct. Cool. So just a note, anything that's a noble gas is going to have 8 valence electrons.
Oh. Okay.
Perfect. Cool. And I think we have one last question.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's just do A and B.
Okay. So,
And I'll have us write out the condensed electron configuration.
all right. So Al, so that's aluminum. So we're going to do neon, and then
Let me check. So you're right there. Argon. Sorry, neon. Good. And then the next thing is are we adding or removing electrons? Because there's an ion. What was that?
we're removing.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. So this is kind of tricky because we would remove everything after. And it's because we need 3 electrons to remove, right? We have like 3s2, so boom, the 2, that goes away. And then 3p1, that also goes away because we have 3 electrons there, that 2 plus that 1. So this would only be neon.
Oh, wow. Okay. So there you go.
Good. And come to think of it, let's just do all of them. Yeah, since I'm doing the condensed, that's a lot easier. So let's do B and C as well.
Sounds good. Okay. So O is going to be
Good.
and we're going to add 2, and we have to add it to the P to make it
Yes.
full.
Correct.
So it would become, I guess I'll just put that, I don't know.
Perfect. That's it.
Awesome. Okay. Where is ZR?
Number 40, or atomic number 40.
Oh, thanks. Okay. So,
Good. Perfect. Good.
and then
Where would we? Yeah.
Oh,
do
I
we do
think, are we going to just get rid of the 42 altogether?
Think about the energy level there.
Oh, we have
Oh.
to take from the highest. So we just
From the lower one, sorry. From the lower one. We have to take from the lower one.
So we're taking from the 4.
So we're taking from the 5. So like that's again from the 5s2 to the 4d2. That was I can't show you, but remember the energy level?
Oh, that keeps throwing me off because I think the number.
Right. But that's specifically when it's like comparing S and D. D will be a little bit higher up.
Okay, so we're just going to get rid of the 5s2.
Correct.
And it's just going to be
Krypton. Mhm. That's it.
Okay, I need to practice that because that kind of like confuses me.
But these are good. These are definitely good. Cool. Okay, but overall, this is making sense now?
Yes. Yeah, I feel so much better.
If you're enjoying studying with us, then make sure to give this video a like and hit that notification bell, because we're going to be studying all semester long. All right, I'll see you in the next video.